Basecamp, often described as the calm project management tool, thrives on simplicity and clear communication. Unlike feature-packed tools that can overwhelm, Basecamp's strength lies in its focused approach to project organization. However, simple doesn't mean unstructured. To truly harness Basecamp's power and keep your projects on track, a well-thought-out organizational strategy is essential. As a project management expert, I've seen how effective setup can make or break a team's efficiency in Basecamp. This guide will walk you through practical, easy-to-understand methods for organizing your Basecamp workspace, ensuring your team knows where everything is, what needs to be done, and how to communicate effectively. The foundation: projects, not departments. One of the first and most critical steps in organizing Basecamp is understanding its core philosophy. It's built around projects, not departments or functions. While you might have a marketing department, in Basecamp, you'd create a Q3 marketing campaign project, a website redesign project, or a new product launch project. Each of these is a distinct endeavor with a beginning, a middle, and an end. Tip 1. Define your projects clearly. Before you even create a project in Basecamp, define its scope. What's the goal? Who's involved? What's the approximate timeline? A well-defined project scope is the bedrock of good Basecamp organization. Inside a Basecamp project, the 6 core tools. Every Basecamp project comes with 6 core tools, and how you utilize them is key to organization. To-dos. This is where the actual work gets tracked. To-do lists are the heart of project execution. Tip 2. Use lists for stages or categories. Don't dump all to-dos into one massive list. Instead, create separate to-do lists for different project phases, e.g., planning phase, development sprints, review and QA, or categories of work, e.g., marketing tasks, design deliverables, admin chores. This makes lists manageable and progress easily trackable. Tip 3. Assign and set due dates. Every to-do should have a clear owner and, if applicable, a due date. This creates accountability and ensures tasks don't fall through the cracks. Basecamp's schedule view aggregates all due dates, providing a clear project timeline. Tip 4. Break down large tasks. If a to-do feels too big, break it down into smaller, actionable subtasks. Basecamp allows you to add detailed notes and attachments to each to-do, ensuring all necessary information is at hand. Message board. This is for announcements, discussions, and updates that are too important for a quick chat, but not a direct task. Tip 5. Purpose-driven posts. Encourage team members to make clear, concise message board posts with a specific purpose. Is it an announcement, a decision, a request for feedback? Using clear subject lines, e.g., decision, website hosting provider, update, phase 1 complete, helps with future searching. Tip 6. Keep discussions focused. While Basecamp allows comments on messages, encourage team members to stay on topic. If a new thread emerges, suggest starting a new message for clarity. Docs and files. This is your project's knowledge base and repository for all relevant documents. Tip 7. Create a logical folder structure. Just like on your computer, organize your docs and files into folders. Common folder structures include project briefs, client assets, meeting notes, design mockups, legal documents, etc. This makes finding files intuitive. Tip 8. Use clear naming conventions. Don't save a file as doc1. Instead, use descriptive names like website_redesign_brief_v2.pdf or client_zip. Consistency is key for long-term organization. Tip 9. Leverage Basecamp docs. For collaborative writing, meeting notes, or internal guides, use Basecamp's built-in docs. They are easily editable, version-controlled, and live directly within the project, eliminating the need for external tools for simple documents. Chat Campfire. This is for quick, informal, real-time conversations. Tip 10. Use for quick Q&A, not decisions. Campfire is excellent for brainstorming, quick questions, or sharing casual updates. However, Important decisions or action items should be moved to the message board or to-dos for proper documentation and follow-up. Tip 11. Keep it conversational. Don't be afraid to keep it light and foster team camaraderie here. But always remember that key information needs to transition to a more structured tool. Schedule. This aggregates all due dates from to-dos and allows for standalone events. Tip 12. Populate key milestones. Use the schedule to mark significant project milestones, deadlines, or team events, e.g., client review meeting, phase 1 completion, launch date. This gives everyone a clear overview of the project timeline. Tip 13. Integrate with calendars. Basecamp schedule can be synced with external calendars, like Google Calendar or Outlook, making it easier for team members to keep track of their commitments. Automatic check-ins. These are recurring questions posed to the team, designed to gather quick status updates or insights. Tip 14. Use for regular pulse checks. Set up daily or weekly check-ins asking questions like, "What did you work on today?" or "Any blockers?" This provides a consistent way to monitor progress and identify issues without formal meetings. Tip 15. Keep questions consistent and relevant. Don't change questions too often, and ensure they are genuinely useful for understanding project status or team morale. Beyond the project, overall Basecamp workspace organization. Tip 16. Archive completed projects. Once a project is truly finished, archive it. This keeps your active project list clean and focused, reducing clutter and improving navigability. You can always unarchive them later if needed. Tip 17. Utilize project templates. For recurring projects with similar structures, e.g., client onboarding, blog post creation, create project templates. This saves immense time and ensures consistency in your organizational approach. Tip 18. Consistent naming conventions for projects. If you manage multiple similar projects, establish a naming convention, e.g., client name, project name, year, or Q, quarter, department initiative. This makes it easier to find specific projects in a long list. Tip 19. Onboarding new team members. Clearly explain your Basecamp organization system to new team members. Provide a quick guide or a walkthrough of how your team uses each tool and the naming conventions you follow.